Today's recipe: mango ice cream. Ingredients: mango 1 kilogram, milk 1 liter, cream 80 milliliters, custard 6 tablespoons, sugar 8 tablespoons. Step 1: make mango pulp. Chop the mangoes. Blend the chopped mangoes to make pulp. No need to add water. Pour the pulp into the stainless steel bowl and keep it in the freezer for 20 minutes. Step 2: make custard. Take 200 milliliters milk and custard powder. Gradually add the custard powder to the milk. Mix, mix, mix. Add more powder and mix it. Mix until the powder lumps dissolve. Place on the side. Take a pan and add 800 milliliters milk to it. Boil the milk. Add sugar to it. Mix well. Gradually add a mixture. Continue stirring, it's so important. Look at the consistency, it's done. Place all these in a freezer for 15 minutes. Use stainless steel bowls. Step 3: start mixing. Now add cream and mango pulp to the custard and mix well. Now look at the consistency. Put chopped almonds and mango cubes at the bottom. Fill the container. Put the plastic wrap on the mixture. Freeze for 8 hours. Here is yours mango ice cream. I'm enjoying my refreshing mango ice cream, and now it's your turn to make and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.